Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first high school marching band of the year. Perry has played at home twice and away once before this, but Greene County did not have a band, and I'm waiting for our show to be fully done by when I show it to you. So this is the Des Moines Hoover Band. They've only had a band since 2016, and they're really small, so it's interesting to see what they sound like. They didn't stand.
Hoover Marching Band, the field is yours for exhibition. fans, this is Dan Pardock, and I am the voice of the Marching Huskies. On behalf of the Marching Huskies and Mr. Rowley, we'd like to thank the Hoover administration, staff, and students for their very strong support of the Hoover Band program. We'd also like to thank the Beaverdale and Des Moines community for their amazing support. Make sure to shop local to support those who support us. The Marching Huskies would also like to, on October 3rd,
Well, they aren't very good, but then again, they're really small. Plus, they've only had a band for 5 years. So, I mean, I can't believe they didn't have a band until 2016. So, I did know the first song, I don't know the other ones, and I'm kind of upset they didn't play the fight song, but they played it at the beginning. They wanted to say hi for some reason. Okay, see you next week at Indianola.